Hello and welcome back. This is number 5 in our series of English conversation for coaching English. Now we already looked at what we do as an occupation or as our job. Today we're going to look at what we like to do outside of work as a hobby or leisure or sport.
What do you do in your spare time?
In my spare time, I like to go shopping or maybe go to eat in a restaurant.
I like to go shopping too. What do you do in your free time?
When I have some free time, I like to go to watch a film at the cinema or go for a leisurely walk in the park. Now, let's have a look at what we do as a sport.
What sports do you do?
I like to play badminton and swim. Sometimes I go to the gym. How about you?
I like to play football and practice taekwondo.
And next, we will talk about hobbies. Hobbies are activities that you do that aren't sporting, but that you enjoy.
What are your hobbies?
I like to play the guitar and I collect rare stamps. How about you?
I enjoy painting nature and I crochet.
And lastly, let's look at what we like to do to relax.
What do you do to relax?
To relax, I like to read a book or listen to classical music. How about you?
I enjoy meditation and I also listen to music, but reggae, not classical.
Don't forget to follow us on Coaching English Facebook page, like our videos, and message us with any information you would like. And we also have online English courses.